1965 Malibu SS with the ZZ4 383 crate motor, putting out 425 horse, 450 torques, whatever they might be.
Foot-pounds, I think.
Oh, foot-pounds, sure. This is a great little resto mod, a great example of resto mod. They made it black. It's way better black. Interior, excelente. Oh, look, air conditioning, Jake. Air conditioning. Man, do I love air conditioning. Nice. Look at the wheels. Total resto mod, but it totally looks like a sleeper. It's a 5-speed Tremec. That's right. It is a 5-speed Tremec with, oh my goodness, a stereo. Cup holders, Jake.
I think it's Tremec.
Tremec? Or
Tremec.
Tremeric?
Not Tremec.
Tremec's like turmeric.
Yeah.
That's an anti-inflammatory. That's not going to help us here, Jake. No, no, it won't. Now let's see this trunk with the right key.
Yes, the right key.
They all look the same, Jake. Oh, wow.
Actually, they don't look the same, but that's neither here nor there. The key to start it
Oh.
is notched. The one
It's
for
a
the trunk
notchy.
is a circle.
It's a circle.
Anyway,
This is old. Look at this. Look at all the nice stuff you get with it. A huge trunk, a nice spare, some floor mats. Everything looks wonderful in this. Everything. Beautiful big chrome bumpers. Look at the wheels, for the love of Mike. Fantastic. The inside, that's the best. Really is. And that 5-speed turmeric.
Tremec. The turmeric 5-speed,
The turmeric 5-speed.
along with the paprika radio system.
And why not dash a little paprika on this spicy little number? Can't wait to drive it. I hope this guy doesn't run into it. Let's go. Let's do it.
All right.
Oh, wow.
Turn that down.
Well, it works.
It
And
works
that's a
great.
cool thing. Rarely does it. All right, here we go. We're off and running. This is a really good steering car. Great AC. Oh, I like the RPM gauge. I love that setup. Very quiet on the inside, Jake.
The AC's cold.
It's freezing. And I love it. This isn't the hottest day we've had, Jake, but boy, it is nice to be in a nice car like this. Oh, I love the steering wheel. Oh, it does. Oh man, I like this car. A lot of power. Wow, a lot of power.
It steers really nice too. It's very
Nice.
tight.
I love it. I like the big steering wheel. I like the RPM gauge right in the middle. That's where it should be. They've done it correctly. Man, that black is shiny. What a good job they did. Well, if you're going to do a resto mod, this is the way you should do it.
And again, pretty good sized back seats for real people to fit in.
Real people, not fake people. Oh man. This is a great driving car. Real people. I just had to put it in fifth because I can, and that's pretty incredible. Shifts really great. Let's make that light. I don't think we're gonna. But it's okay. We've got power brakes. Power brakes, power steering, air conditioning. That guy ran a red light pretty blatantly too. What a jerk. This air conditioning is out of sight. I know you can't feel it at home, but believe you me, we can feel it. On black car in August in Missouri, could be way worse. We are very comfortable. Come on, folks. There we are. You know what time it is, Jake. It's that time.
Startup time?
You're darn right.
Good old-fashioned one?
Good old-fashioned startup time. down there, Jake, there's a small lake in the middle of our parking lot. There's a man fishing in it. Anyway, I think you need to drive this car. Let's
Sounds good.
do it, Jake.